Dear students, welcome to this class of mine. This very video is meant for the students who are preparing for the highly competitive exams such as IAS, CPAF, CAT, RBI-GRADE-B SSC CGL and other examinations conducted by UPSC. What I see that the students feel a lot of difficulty in doing this reading comprehension. In reading comprehension, they get one or two unseen passages which they find very difficult to attempt. The reason is that while reading those passages, they come across many such words, the meanings of which are not clear to them. Sometimes they see those words for the first time. They also fail to take their approximate meanings. So, this very video will help them to improve their vocabulary in doing this reading comprehension section very easily. Now, come to the writing section. If your vocabulary is very good and you have a very good knowledge of grammar, then you can write a very good essay, a very good letter, a very good précis, a very good article. A good vocabulary plays a very important part in building your language. Good language gets you good marks. Even at the time of interview, you need to express yourself in a very good language. To speak a very good language, you need a very good vocabulary. If you are able to impress your examiner with a good language, with a good vocabulary, he will get this impression that you are well read, you are a knowledgeable person. Then it will become very easy for you to qualify these exams. So, what I have decided that I will definitely help you to improve your word power for the qualification of these exams. I will tell you 20 words in each class. I have selected these words after a lot of research. These words keep appearing very often in reading comprehension, and students fail to understand the correct meaning of those unseen passages. These words will definitely help you and make it easy for you to attempt those unseen passages. Dear students, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe it, as you will see many more videos on vocabulary and how to improve your word power very fast. I have decided and I am very much committed that I will help you a lot in improving your vocabulary. Now, I will go through these 20 words, just try to understand their meanings. The first one is Umbrage. This is a noun. It means the feeling of being offended or resentful. So, you must keep the meaning of this word in your mind. This comes very often. The second one is ingenuity, means cleverness, inventiveness, and this is a noun, and you must be familiar with the meaning of this word ingenuity. The next is obduracy. This is a noun again. It means inflexibility, rigidity, when a person is very rigid, and the word is obdurate. The next word is brouhaha, means uproar, hullabaloo, and a mixture of noises, that is brouhaha. The next word is epitome. Some students and some teachers pronounce this epitome. No, this is not correct. The correct pronunciation is epitome, means ideal example. The next word is abrogation, means the process of cancellation, the process of making something null and void. The next word is devolution. The verb of this is devolve, means transfer of power, authority, that is the devolution, transference of power and authorities, responsibilities. The next word is glitch, serious defect, malfunction. The next word is eminence, means popularity. The next word is very important to know, that is bourgeois, means a middle class person. This is noun as well as adjective. Previous to the word explicit, there was a word bourgeois, means a middle class person. I forgot to put a tick mark with a red marker, so please try to ignore that. The next word is explicit. This is an adjective. It means fully expressed, fully revealed. The next word is implicit, means clear in an implied manner, though unexpressed. Implicit is also an adjective, and this is the antonym of explicit. The next word is illicit. This is verb. It means to draw out, to get, to obtain, to procure. Why have written these three words one below the other? Sometimes students get confused among these three. That is why I have written them one after the other. So, try to make them clear in their meanings. The next word is adjure. Adjure means to give advice, to give counsel. This is verb. The next word is wreak. This is verb again, to cause, to bring about, like to bring about this damage, destruction. The next word is postulate. This is another verb. It means to claim, to be true, to demand. The next word is immutable, means unchangeable, inflexible, not capable of being changed. This is adjective. The next word is nebulous, means indistinct, vague, unclear. The next word is cantankerous, means very difficult to deal with, irritating to deal with. See these two adjectives, nebulous and cantankerous. Which suffix has been added to both? OUS. So when suffix OUS comes, then you take that word as an adjective. And the last word is uncanny, means mysterious, eerie, supernatural or magical. In this way, I have given you these 20 words. You must have noticed that I have emphasized more on verbs, adjectives and nouns than those of adverbs, because we find the usage of verbs, adjectives and nouns more than those of adverbs. I will now suggest you to make familiar with these words, and I will give you 20 new words in each class of mine. Always try to go through them. I will not say that you can improve your vocabulary within a few days or within a few weeks. No, it will take some time. You will have to make a strategy to enrich your word power. It will take a few months, and after that period you will be able to realize that your vocabulary part has improved a lot, and then you will gain a lot of confidence and motivation to write these examinations. Dear students, please do like and share this video. Don't forget to hit the button subscribe. Press the bell icon on all to get updates. Stay fit, stay healthy.